name is Adam. I work for Isola Homes. We're in one of our model homes today, and I wanted to give you an orientation of our Space Saver microwave. This microwave drafts out through the unit. It has filters at the bottom that will have to be maintenanced. Maybe after a month or so of use, you'll look to see if this needs to be cleaned, and then you can clean at a regular basis based on that use. This unit, as I said, drafts out through a chimney draft and into a vent that drafts outside of their unit, which is a very nice, desirable system. Instead of drafting out into the unit, it drafts out of the house. For that, it has two different vent controls for that drafting here on the control panel, a high and a low. It also has a surface light that lights the underside of the microwave. Basic microwave, it has all the programming instructions in the manufacturer's manual that will be in the homeowner drawer, so please reference to that for any other directions that you'd like on that. But that is a basic orientation of a microwave in an Isola home.